Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about human population growth and its environmental impacts. So I'm Ayushi Gandhi and let's study this topic. Global population growth has increased over the past year. So we know that population is a very huge problem nowadays. By 2045, India is going to become the most populous country of the world. We all know that. Human population is projected to increase from 6.7 billion in 2006 to 9.2 billion by 2050. So we are going to be overcrowded. Largest population increase in the globe is in India, China and Southeast Asia, representing 60%. So 60% of population growth is going to happen in Southeast Asia. So that comes India, Pakistan, China, Bangladesh. These are the countries who are going to be populated more. So India is going to become the most populous nation, right? And as population grows more and more, there will be demand of more and more natural resources. It's very easy to understand. So as the demand of natural resources increases, we are going to suffer, right? So there will be increase in food demand. Global food production will affect it. Some countries have experienced decline in human population. So the change in population and its environmental impacts does not only depend on the growth of population, it also depends on the declination of the population. Like there are some countries like Germany, Portugal, Moldova, Georgia, Bulgaria and Ukraine. So these are the countries which are seeing decline in their population. So that is also one of the problems. Germany only has very less amount of young people there in their population. The people there are all above 45. Right, so the younger generation percentage is very less in Germany, so the population is declining day by day. So that is the problem which is created. That's why they are welcoming immigrated people from other countries into Germany, so that their population increases, and that results into a balance of population in their country. So countries with human population growth decline characterized by, so population increase and decrease depends on high death rates, low birth rates, rising immigration, low immigration. So the population if it's increasing is because of the high birth rate, and it can also increase because of the immigration, right? So as nowadays people from India are moving to Canada and America, their population is increasing, and here the population is getting not getting decreased, but younger generation from India is shifting to India and Canada, so the population there is increasing, right? So even you can see that Afghanistan issue, right? There are problematic situations in Afghanistan. People are trying to move from that country, right? So people are moving to other places, and because of that the population of those countries is increasing. As India is overcrowded, we cannot accumulate more Afghanis here, or Pakistan is also populated. So if there will be increase in refugees in the countries, there will be more and more population increase in the country, and that will result into demand of more resources. So what are the environmental impacts of population growth? So overconsumption of resource depletes non-renewable resource. So the resources which are non-renewable, as the demand increases, they will be depleted, right? Human population emits waste, untreated sewage waste and other pollutants have a negative impact, disrupt natural ecosystem. So as the population will increase, the waste in our surrounding will also increase. So I saw something in Discovery that New York, Mumbai and London, these are the cities which are most populated ones. So there is a problem of rat more. You can see that Mumbai has so much amount of rats in the city. The reason behind it is because it is very, very populated, the amount of waste generated by those cities is very much. And because of the waste generation, there are rats more. So whenever you observe, rats are always they are always around the place where there is waste, right? So there are so many amount of waste in Mumbai, London and New York. So because of that, there are so many diseases which are spread, right? So population increase is not only affecting the environment, but the diseases caused by those increase of population can result the whole human society also. even there are so many other examples like coronavirus. So if the city is very much populated, then the spread of coronavirus will be faster. So the possibility of social distancing is very much less, because already the city is so much populated. Like you can see that in public transport also, already the buses are less, and there are too many people who are traveling in those buses. So how can we maintain social distance there? So if the population is increased in one particular area, that will result into demand of natural resources, right? And that will increase, and that will create so much other problems, as I've told you about coronavirus. The problems of rats and the diseases related to rats spread more in this kind of cities like Mumbai, New York and London, right? And there are also other problems or other diseases which are spread more, right? So viral diseases spread more in populated cities. So environmental impacts of population growth: big societies consume more resource compared to small ones. Pattern of consumption and choices of technology may result into more environmental impacts compared to the number of people. Environmental effects of human population growth emerge from interaction between national economic development and population. So I'll give you one example, that European countries went into industrial revolution. Because the population in European countries was increasing day by day, the demand of products was also increasing. So because of the industrial revolution, they set up so much amount of industries in European countries, and what happened one day, the London was completely blacked out. The reason behind blacking out of London and so much of smog surrounding them, I hope you people know smog is smoke plus fog. So because of the industries which were there in the surrounding, the pollution which was released by those industries in the atmosphere created smog. And because of that, the visibility in London reduced so much that caused accidents and shutting down of London for 2 to 3 days. Similar thing happened in Delhi, as Delhi is also very much populated and so many industries are established around Delhi. Because of the demand of products, the pollution created by those industries created so much amount of fog. So because of that, the visibility reduced so much, and as the visibility reduces, there are so many problems which are created because of the loss of visibility, right? There are more accidents, right? It is not, you cannot see anything, right? That is one of the major problem. That means visibility reduction, right? And the schools are shut down for a few days, and the pollution index increased there. As the pollution index increased, because of the smog, people had problem in breathing, and that element affected their lungs. And you can find so many people in Delhi and cities where there is more pollution because of the population, they face a lot of lung disease, right? So population increase will demand more resources, will deplete them, create more waste, and these kind of problems will impact our natural resource and our surrounding. We can see that easily. So thank you for watching this video.